Falcon 2000, Lima has the airport.
Falcon 2000 Lima, roger, runway 21, clear to land number 1.
Clear to land number 1, Falcon 2000.
Number 250 at 9. Okay, Fisher 598, runway 21, line up and wait.
Left wait 21, 5 minutes.
See the 15 behind the landing Falcon, cross the runway.
Cross the runway behind those Falcon.
Falcon 00 Lima, when able to parking.
Rock.
Falcon 00 Lima, turn right when able, taxi Roxy Alpha with me today. Thanks, Fisher 598, runway 21, ship takeoff.
Runway 21, 598.
T-15, no observed traffic between you and the edge of the airspace, frequency change approved, have a safe flight.
Thank you, T-15.
Falcon 810 Tango Cessna, roger, number 1, waiting release from Phoenix approach. Transformation Oscar is now current, runway 21 east, wind 230 at 9er, altimeter 2983. Light rain and mist. Until 65, right turn at Alpha 5, straight into Ross's frequency, good morning.
Alpha 5 for Ross.
Scottsdale Tower, DACOM 3456 is written for the RNAV Delta.
DACOM 3456, Dassault Tower, roger, port field in sight, or missed approach to read it first.
DACOM 3456 will do.
Says mounted off, left turn and frequency change are both approved, have a safe flight.
Left the frequency is approved, time for golf, thanks. Scottsdale ground. Falcon 2000 Lima's Ross to taxi.
Falcon 2000 Lima, Scottsdale ground, runway 21, taxi up.
We'll taxi and 21.
Thanks, this is the HSL roger, number 1, waiting release from Phoenix.
Tower, Challenger 518, Hotel Romeo, inbound GPS, Delta.
Challenger 518, Hotel Romeo, Scottsdale Tower, roger, port field in sight, or missed approach to read it first.
Hotel Romeo. At Tower 518 Hotel Romeo has the field. Do you want us to cross over or right base?
Challenger 8 Hotel Romeo, at your discretion, you can proceed to the right base. Runway 21 and clear to land to number 1.
Clear to land 21, Hotel Romeo. Wind check.
Wind 330 at 4. Falcon 2000 Lima, runway 21, clear takeoff, turn right heading 35.
Airport in sight for Jet 396.
Jet 396, roger. At your discretion, you can break off the approach to the right base for runway 21, clear to land to number 1.
Okay, breaking off now for the right base.
Falcon 00 Lima, again flight 285, in that right turn, contact Phoenix departure, have a safe flight.
Okay, 285 and we'll contact departure in the turn to 2000.